Do you want to know a dessert that looks like it's really difficult to make, but actually it's really easy to make? I'm talking about chocolate lava cakes. Thanks for coming back. My name is Nick, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so you never miss anything. Chocolate lava cakes are really easy to make. Just make sure you're using a quality chocolate and you bake it for the right amount of time and you really can't mess it up. So let me show you just how easy this is to do. So I got 1 stick of unsalted butter and 6 ounces of a good chocolate here. This is a dark chocolate. It's a 70% cacao, which means it's going to be really flavorful, really chocolatey. We're going to put this over a double boiler and let this all melt together. So while our chocolate mixture is melting, we'll get our ramekins ready. I just have some butter here. It's nice and softened. And we're just going to brush the inside of these ramekins. We want to make sure that our lava cakes come out very easily. We don't want them to get stuck in there. Make sure we get all the little crevices. And then we're just going to put a little bit of sugar in one ramekin and roll that sugar around. And that's going to create a nice crust with our butter. Then we'll just add the excess to the other ramekin and we'll repeat. You see this a lot with soufflés, but it works just as well with these lava cakes. Ramekins are ready, we'll put them aside. And we got our bowl, 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg yolks. We'll add a 1/4 cup of sugar, healthy pinch of salt. And now we're just going to beat this mixture together. For a few minutes, we want to incorporate some air into this. We want this to thicken up. That's going to help with our lava cakes. It's going to give them a really nice texture. So let's get this mixed up. Okay, you can see how the colors changed, how the textures changed. That looks good. That's what we're looking for here. We have our chocolate mixture, nice and melted. Let it hang out for a couple of minutes so when we add it to our egg mixture, we don't want to end up with scrambled eggs. So we'll add our chocolate mixture. Make sure we get everything. Fold all that chocolate in. It's looking really good. This is one of my favorite desserts. Although I feel like I say that about every dessert I make, but this really is one of my favorites. Guys, it really helps if you like the video. Helps this channel reach more people. Really appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button. Okay, so now to this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour and 1/2 teaspoon of espresso powder. That espresso is just going to bring out that chocolate flavor even more. We get that folded in. That flour is just going to thicken this up just a bit. All right, our chocolate mixture looks good. We'll get into our ramekins, and then I'll show you a little secret to make sure that this is a perfect lava cake. Okay, so we have our prepared ramekins. And we'll just evenly distribute the batter. We get the ovens preheated to 450. So we don't want these to bake very long. We're looking about 12 minutes, or until the edges are set. Give these a little tap, even it out. I have the chocolate we used here, that good chocolate. I'm just going to take some. That size looks good. Just a little nice chunk of chocolate here. And just, actually I'm going to break it up again. And just put a couple of pieces in there, in the middle. Make sure we have plenty of flowing chocolate here when we cut into these. All right. So put in the oven, check on them after about 10 minutes. All right, bake these for just under 12 minutes. I'll take one out here because they are hot. I'll show you how we plate these up. Grab a plate, set it down, put in the tongs. And they just come on the top, the tongs, get a grip. And hopefully it'll come out like that. So we have our lava cake. I have some caramel sauce and some chocolate sauce that I made. I'll link the description to these videos at the end of this video so you can make these. We'll take just some of our chocolate sauce go around. And a little bit of our caramel sauce. Same thing. And now, give it a cut. That looks nice right there. Try. That's really rich. That is delicious. So just how easy it is to make these lava cakes. Really good. Make that caramel sauce, chocolate sauce goes really nicely with the lava cakes. Give this video a like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. I'm going to finish this. We'll see you next time.